Welcome to CodeMind. Carrie here. So today I come up with a tutorial series of how to use Google Drive, and my focus is to tell you how to use Google Docs, Google Excel and Google Slides. So mainly we use MS Office or other tools in our desktop or PC or Linux operating system. So this is very simple. We just need a Google account. We did not need to pay for any software, anything. We just log in into our Gmail account, and directly we can access the Google Drive, and we can create our documents, we can create our Excel sheets, and we can create our slides as well. So how can we start that? Let's see. So just we need to open google.com and click on here option, and you guys will see here I have now Drive, I have a docs, sheets, slides, right? So my suggestion is to go into the Google Drives rather than docs, sheets and slides. Why? Because in Drives we have an option to open docs, sheets and slides as well. So I am opening up Drive. So here I need a user ID of my Gmail account. So I am going to log in with my email ID. I need to put my password. So I am logging into my Google Drive now. So you guys can see here I am in my Google Drive. So let's start with the series with the Excel, right? How can we keep a record into Excel? Just click on new, right? And we can see here we can add docs, sheets, slides. In more we have a Google Form, Google Drawing, Google My Maps, Google Sites. So there are many things which Google offers us for free. So how to create an Excel sheet? Just click on a blank spreadsheet, or you can create from a template as well. Means something already built into Google Sheets, and you copying that design from the templates. So I will click on welcome spreadsheet, blank spreadsheet. So here I will get a view of Excel sheet. So how can I use it? It's a simple way. You guys are using MS Office or a LibreOffice, so we do not need to now carry a software to install a software, or need to pay anything to any owner of the software. We have now everything online. For any PC we can do anything. We can share here with our colleagues, with our friends, right? We just need to put the email and we can share things with our friends, right? For example, here I want to create a record of students. I have a roll number, put tab, it will go to the next column, then your name, then your marks, or class, or marks. I put enter and it will go to the next row. Roll number 1 2 3. So I am assuming it, name Gary, or class 4th, mark is 80. Yeah, I got to 124, carry 5 and 84. So how to save it? Just click on this student record. You can give any record, any name, just press enter. Automatically it will save into your Google Drive. So we can see where are this Excel sheet is saved. Just go into my drive and see here, or you can simply go into my recent file. We can see here now this is our today's file, that is student record. If I double click on it, it will open me and I can see my record saved into my student record Excel sheet. So it is very simple. My recommendation you guys is to use it, and you will really enjoy the what Google offer to us. So thank you so much guys for watching our video. We have other videos also related to this series, and stay tuned with us. Please like, share, comment and subscribe our channel. Have a good day.